everyone and welcome back to my channel Meine Deutsch. Today I am going to teach you new words relevant to your school or classroom. I'll also tell you about the definite article in accusative case. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Here are some words in masculine. Der Bleistift, der Kugelschreiber. Kugelschreiber is a pen and the other word for Kugelschreiber is Kuli. Der Kuli or der Kugelschreiber. Der Spitzer, der Radiergummi, der Textmarker, der Filzstift. Filzstift is sketch pen. Now let us check the words in Neutrum. Das Buch, das Heft, das Lineal, das Mäppchen. Words in Feminin. Die Schultasche, die Schere, die Mappe, die Landkarte. Let us see plural form of all these words. Die Bücher, die Hefte, die Bleistifte, die Filzstifte, die Lineale, die Kugelschreiber, die Mäppchen, die Textmarker, die Spitze, die Landkarten, die Mappen, die Scheren, die Schultaschen, die Radiergummis. Now, if I say, I have a pencil and ask the question, what do I have? The answer that I get, a pencil, becomes the direct object. And that's where the accusative case comes into the scenario. The definite article in accusative case for masculine nouns is then. The definite article in accusative case for feminine is the, whereas for neuter, that is Neutrum, is das, and for plural, it's the. Whereas the indefinite article or the unbestimmter article in accusative case for masculine nouns is einen. For feminine, it is eine. For Neutrum, it is ein. And ein itself means a. There won't be any plural for it. Now let us check few examples where I shall be using the articles in accusative case. Ich habe einen Bleistift. Ich habe eine Schere. Ich habe ein Lineal. Ich habe einen Textmarker. Ich habe 2 Hefte. Ich habe 3 Spitze. Now I want you to try to frame sentences using the articles in accusative case. You can stop the video and post some sentences in the comment section. If you like my video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Tschüss!